Learned today, loneliness affects health, and it is a transdiagnostic construct that co-occurs with many of the exacerbating cognitive functioning as well as mental health outcomes. It is conceptualized as consisting of at least two subtypes: emotional loneliness, that refers to as the perceived absence of a close, intimate relationship, and social loneliness, which is related to the perceived absence of a desired community of belonging. And several longitudinal studies have demonstrated that loneliness in general increases the risk for dementia. And there is an emerging evidence in the literature that the two subtypes of loneliness are related to, and may be differently related to, cognition. So to test this relationship between loneliness subtypes and cognitive functioning among older people with HIV, we assessed emotional and social loneliness by using the 6-item de Jong-Gierverd loneliness scale, and from the participants from the Johns Hopkins Center for Advancement of HIV Neurotherapeutics clinical cohort, and participants also completed a measures of neuropsychological test battery and subjective measures of cognition, as well as the surveys. So after adjusting for age, biological sex, and education, as you can see in this figure A on the left side, emotional loneliness was associated with poor cognitive performance in the domains of processing speed, executive functioning, and motor skills. But when we adjusted for depressive symptoms, emotional loneliness remained only with domains of processing speed. But social loneliness was not associated with any of the objective neurocognitive measures. So our results suggest that there are uniqueness and associations of loneliness subtypes with objective cognition. So I'd like to thank all the participants who participated in the study, and a special thanks to my mentors, Tracy Wilson and Leah Rubin, as well as Dr. Michael Planke, who connected me with Tracy. Thank you.